Hello and welcome to a new episode How to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we'll discuss about another method of array in JavaScript, pop method. Pop method is used to remove the last element from an array and returns that element. It modifies the original array by reducing its length by 1. Pop method reduce the length of an array with 1 because remove the last element. Let's see the syntax of this method, pop method. The syntax is name of array dot pop and call. You see here you don't have any arguments, any parameter, just array dot pop. Okay, keep in your mind that array.pop return the last remove the last element of an array. If the array is empty, it returns undefined. Let's see an example with an array with 8 elements. This array, let's animal. Okay, I want to remove this element, this bool, the last element of this array animal. How should I do? What approach should to take? I think a good idea is to use a method. And this method is pop, because when I call this animal.pop, the method will remove the last element. In my case is this bool. Okay, let's create a new variable. Let's remove animal equal name of array animals dot my method pop. Okay, and now let's console that log animals. Let's see what happens. Okay, after I console.log, I see that my last animal disappear, my last element, because I used this pop method. Let's console.log the new variable remove the animal, this, and let's see what happens. Okay, console.log remove animal return me the last animal, the animal who was removed from my original array. Retain, just keep in your mind, just pop method remove the last element from an array. Look here, I use animals.pop remove my bool, last element. No, I don't have here bool. It returns the remove element, which you can store or you can use, it's your option. Okay, this is my element bool. If the array is empty, I say you that will appear undefined. Just retain in your mind, keep in your mind that the length of array decrease with 1 after each using pop. Let's write again animals that, sorry, with a single L, that pop, and put again this, and in this case should to disappear tiger. It's real tiger disappear. I use again animal.pop. Okay, let's make this dynamically, because when you use pop in when are you coding, you use it dynamically this method. Let's see how to use. You create a loop. We create a loop who iterate through an array and show us how it works, this method, this pop method. Okay, we have this array. Let's write here dynamically pop method with a loop, while. We will use while loop. Okay, we create this array, and I want to loop iterate through this array till will be empty. In each iteration of while loop will remove one element. This happened till array will be with 0 element. After each removal, the element is printed at the current state of the array is displayed. Let's see step by step all process for a good understanding. I have this array. Let's create a while loop. How to create a while loop? The keyword while. Okay. When you create a while, should to put a condition, because as long as while mean as long as, and condition the length of array is greater than 0. Okay. Animals that length greater 0. This is the condition. What happens if my array is less than 0? What should to happen in statements? I want to remove one element, and I put here animal dot pop, and after this I want to print the element removed and element with current array animals, because I want to see how look my array before this sorry, not before, in real time. Okay, and this is, let's analyze this code. We have this array, and dynamically I iterate through it with this while loop, and I write here in condition as long as animal down length is greater than 0, remove one element. Okay. In first iteration, let's count the number of elements are 8. My condition 8 is greater than 0 is greater. Okay. In this case, I will execute this code. After second iteration, I have now 7 elements. No, because I remove a bool. 7 is greater. Execute the code. Now I have 6 elements because I remove the tiger. 6 is greater than 0 in my while. Yes, it's greater. Okay, I execute the code. I have now 5, and so on till I reach to 1, and after to 0. When I reach to 0, the code will not be executed. The loop will be stopped. Okay. After each removal, the element is printed. You see here the element. This is the element, the last element. Let's see again. Remove. What element I remove from this array with pop? I remove the last element. Okay, this is the last tiger. Tiger is correct. Here, what element I remove is cat. Correct. cat. Here what element I remove is lion. It's okay. That was all for today. I hope you will understand how to use this pop method in JavaScript. I'm waiting for you in the next episode where we will discuss about another method of array. Keep in your mind that pop method just remove the last element, don't create a new array, and return the element that you removed. You see here. All the best.